Hi.
We're here at Akabich's show and ZNS show.
ZNS talk
Yeah.
show.
Yeah.
Now here's Claret Cruz.
Here our little friend.
This is
Little
my,
friend.
you know,
Ana Rica, Abby, Gracelyn.
Maybe wait.
Gracelyn. Hi Gracelyn, say hi.
Please
Hi,
guys say
Jewel.
hi. Can you please guys say hi? Yeah, they don't
They
want
are
they're
shy.
camera shy maybe.
But
So
is that your talk show?
yes,
yeah.
this is our
We
talk
have
show.
our
We have our guest, Ana Rica. Ana Rica, let's talk about your love life. How's
talk
your
about you and me.
house
Let's talk
ab-
about all the
house about
How's about?
Wait,
Wait, I cannot
How
see her. Can you
about-
please
a little bit
mirror? Yeah.
close. Oh, there.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, you want to...
How are you and Tricky?
Wait, spotlight.
Excuse me, Inday.
Ian, you're so
Excuse me, Inday. You're interrupting our talk show. Wait, they don't want to talk. Maybe us again.
Let's sing na lang.
Excuse me. I just ate ice cream today, so I should rest my voice.
Who are you in the Akabiches?
What?
Who are you in the Akabiches?
I'm the real bitch. I'm Zab myself. Okay. Our topic for today would be
camera is that?
She has camera
camera disease.
camera this. Claire.
Traumatic thing. Okay, now
That girl.
this is our friend. This is our friend. Say hi, please. And Shane again. So Shane wanted me to do a cover of what cover do you want?
Sige, kakakalkal ko lang ng paa ko.
Runaway, Bruno Mars.
It's a bit
Runaway Bruno
noisy
Mars.
here, so you cannot hear our voice clearly. So we should do it next
We
time
will have it having a condenser.
in a peaceful room, not like this.
Edit mo daw to.
What's that?
Ito daw kukunin niya yung cellphone. Tapos ito, nakuha niya na. Tapos tingnan mo ginawa, binulusok.
Okay. That's funny. That's funny. Okay, maybe that's it.